Welcome to this video on 3D arm architecture. We will explore how to engineer width, density, and peak in your arms using biomechanical precision. Have you ever wondered why your arms look impressive when flexed in a mirror, but appear skinny when viewed from the side or when at rest? We call this the 2D arm trap. The issue is a frontal width deficit. Standard curls often just build the bicep belly, which provides peak from the side, but fails to add width. The solution is targeting the lateral muscles to push the bicep outward. Phase 1 of our protocol focuses on the brachialis. This is the key to developing the lateral wedge that generates true frontal width. The brachialis is your hidden anchor. It sits deep beneath the bicep brachii. When hypertrophied, it physically pushes the bicep and tricep apart, increasing overall arm thickness. This chart shows how different movements activate the brachialis. Using a neutral grip, such as in hammer curls, forces the brachialis to handle more load by removing bicep leverage. Phase 2 targets the triceps long head. This muscle represents 70% of your total arm mass, and we will grow it through stretch-mediated hypertrophy. To optimize stretch-mediated growth, use an overhead setup to fully stretch the long head. Maintain eccentric control for 3 seconds, and use explosive neural drive during the concentric phase. Phase 3 is the supination peak. Here, we focus on sculpting the short head of the bicep through specific wrist rotation techniques. This execution matrix summarizes our protocol. Use cross-body hammer curls for the brachialis, overhead cable extensions for the triceps, and offset supination curls for bicep peaks. Follow this 12-week roadmap. Weeks 1 through 4 are for neural priming, 5 through 8 for volume accumulation, 9 through 11 for tension, and the final week is for peaking. Stop doing junk volume and build the frame you deserve. You can download the complete 12-week protocol at the link shown on screen.